independently certified, the most accurate in Central Kentucky.
We told you at the top of the broadcast that southbound I-75 through Fayette County is a real mess right now. A multi-vehicle accident around the 104, so be aware of that. But Jason, tomorrow, no matter where you're traveling in the state, you're going to need to be careful.
Yeah, use extra time, allow extra traveling distance between you and the car in front of you, and just overall use a lot of caution if you have to head out and about tomorrow. Depending on where you live, it could be rain or snow, but for anyone traveling, it's going to be a slow go. You can see here what we currently have with our winter storm warning. Areas shaded in pink mainly includes far northern Kentucky, and in purple, a winter weather advisory. And that's just kind of the severity of the chances for snow. This is a look out toward Louisville here. A live look, and you can see the roadways there looking okay for the most part as far as not seeing any major rain. But looking off to the west, you can see here radar showing there is some rain beginning to develop along into the west of I-75. When we put this in motion, it's mainly moving to the southeast right now, and you can see the bigger picture here shows quite a bit of moisture. So we're going to have a lot of moisture moving in from the Gulf of Mexico, cold air in place, and that's where we'll have a better chance for seeing that snow as we go into tomorrow. And you can see that kind of dividing line between warmer air to the south and chilly air to the north, and we're going to have basically that line right over the local viewing area as we head into tomorrow morning. That weather system to the west becomes closer to the region. Futurecast here at midnight showing rain to the west, beginning to move a little bit more widespread by daybreak tomorrow morning. We're right around 32 degrees in the morning. We're starting to see a little wintry precipitation mixing in with the rain. As the day goes on, a better chance for seeing snow here as we go from 12 noon into the afternoon for far northern Kentucky. This is where you may stay mostly snow or all snow all day long. Areas to the south, mainly rain, and then right in the middle, including Lexington, may start off with some snow, may see a rain-snow mix, and then may transition to rain and then back to snow some. So that line is going to be back and forth a little bit more from Lexington to Jackson and into parts of eastern Kentucky as we go throughout the daytime hours. By 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, we're still looking at quite a bit of precipitation. Now, if you have travel plans heading north up towards Cincinnati, they're going to pick up on quite a bit of snow. If you're traveling on I-64, heading from areas like Moorhead into West Virginia, you're going to run into some slowdowns as well along I-64. By midnight Sunday, we're still looking at some precipitation, but a lot of this tapers off as we go into Sunday morning. Low temperature Sunday morning around 31. Could see just a little precipitation earlier in the day, but as we go later in the afternoon, we should see clearing skies, especially across northern Kentucky, with highs back around 45 degrees for your Sunday afternoon. So once again, what we're looking at for snowfall totals, right now we're looking at about 2 to 5 inches, possible even higher amounts if it stays all snow, if it's heavy enough. And again, plenty of moisture to work with coming in from the Gulf. It's just kind of the temperature. Temperatures are going to be hovering right around freezing for a good part of the day, especially in the morning hours. And then this is where you could see here in pink a rain to wintry mix to snow at different times of the day. And so you may pick up on a trace to possibly up to 3 inches of snow. But if you have the snow and then it transitions back to rain, that's going to take down the accumulation factor quite a bit. Off to the south, it looks to stay all rain all day long, and you look to pick up a good soaking rain of about 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Tonight, 32 degrees, so we're right around freezing overnight tonight. Heading into tomorrow, a better chance for snow to the north and rain to the south. It'll be cold and windy at times, wind gusts up around 30 miles per hour. We'll have highs tomorrow in the upper 30s, a high of 37 degrees. Back in the mid-40s on Sunday. We'll see late day clearing on Sunday, so at least the second half of the weekend we'll see some improvement. Upper 50s, milder Monday, could see a few showers. A better chance for rain as we get toward midweek next week, but also milder temperatures into next week.
We'll need to dry out and thaw out in some places. All right.